Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Law Simplified by Tiruthi. And today, I am diving into a groundbreaking development in India's legal landscape. The Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, has made a significant statement that could shape the future of our judiciary. If you look at this news item, it says transition to AI will augment efficiency of legal system. Now, basically, in a recent address, the Chief Justice has emphasized that the transition to artificial intelligence, AI, will augment the efficiency of the Indian legal system. But what does this mean for lawyer, judges, and the common citizen? AI is poised to revolutionize how we approach law, handling routine tasks like sorting through endless cases, aiding in legal research, and even assisting judges in decision making process. This doesn't just speed things up, it makes the system more efficient and accurate. But it's not just about speed. AI can bring unprecedented accuracy and consistency to legal decision, something our judiciary could greatly benefit from. The Chief Justice of India believes that by embracing AI, the judiciary can reduce delay and enhance the quality of justice delivered. However, with these advancements come challenges. There is the question of accountability. How do we ensure AI is used responsibly? And what about the skill gaps of legal professionals? Therefore, the Chief Justice acknowledges those concerns and urges the legal community to upskill and adapt. As we stand on the brink of this transition, it is crucial to explore both the opportunities and the challenges AI presents to our legal system. And the future of law is not just about humans or machines, it's about how we can best combine both to serve justice. In the end, I would just like to say that please read about it and let me know what are your thoughts on AI in the judiciary. Is it a step towards a more efficient system or are there risks we need to address? Let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the evolving world of law. Thank you.